Hey guys, welcome to Old School Bodybuilding. So today I wanted to talk about something that Vince calls overtonus, and this is from the Wild Physique, and it's titled The Bodybuilder's Greatest Pitfall. So let's see. Overtonus is a condition caused by too many sets, too many different exercise combinations, in short, overwork, which causes muscle tissue loss, hormone depletion, weakness, and a smoothed out appearance, inability to produce a pumping effect, and a general lassitude or weakness. Overtonus produces a stringy appearance with no healthy round look apparent to a properly worked muscle. Overtonus is caused by male hormone loss. Interesting. Overtonus causes the central nervous system to cease pumping blood into capillaries, which might otherwise rupture. To achieve a maximum pump, exercise until you notice pump loss. At this point, check back to the number of sets, tempo, and repetition required to achieve this effect. This is your personal exercise requirement level. So that's interesting. And this is from Iron Man magazine, March 1976, volume 35, number 3. So there you have it. That's from Vince and overtonus. So let me know what you guys think about overtonus and leave a comment in the section below.